So I'm restoring this mid-century Eames style chair that I found on Let Go, and I've already done, this back panel really came out great. Just wanted to show you some of the damage. It's very dry, and then it has some paint, chips and stuff in it, but I'm going over with a fine steel wool and Murphy's oil soap, concentrated, natural, and it's really bringing the wood back well. So I just wanted to show you how well this works. Put the Murphy's oil on the steel wool. There's the paint and the damage. And as you can see, most of the paint's removed. I'll touch it up a little bit more, but it looks great.